Welcome to Ambay Etching Process, your trusted partner in high-precision surface engineering. With decades of experience and a passion for innovation, we bring you 5-axis laser texturing, the future of mold surface finishing. Unlike conventional methods, our 5-axis laser technology can texture complex 3D shapes like remote control molds with unmatched accuracy even on curved and deep surfaces. We offer a wide range of VDI textures as per international standards, providing enhanced grip, visual appeal, and product differentiation. Our process is fully digital, no film, no masking. This means faster turnaround, consistent results, and high repeatability. From basic patterns to complex 3D designs, we transform plain molds into high-performance components ready for production. Every texture is validated through strict quality checks, ensuring precision down to the micron. And now, there's no need to go to China or Korea because 5-axis laser texturing is now available right here in India at Ambay Etching Process. Our textures are used across industries, automotive, electronics, medical, and consumer products wherever grip and aesthetics matter. At Ambay Etching Process, we don't just add texture, we add value to your molds. Bring your designs to life with precision, durability, and style.